Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by opening settings and navigating to system storage. This gets you straight to Storage Sense. Turn Storage Sense on because it automates safe deletions. Next, set the frequency, daily, weekly, or when space is low, so Windows acts on a schedule that fits you. Then choose Cleanup Types, Temporary Files, Recycle Bin Retention, and Downloads Rules. Once done, you've created an automated baseline. Make sure to leave downloads protected if you want manual control. Now you take manual control, run disk cleanup and pick Cleanup System Files, remove previous Windows installations only if you don't need rollback. Open storage and inspect categories like apps, documents, and temporary files to find large items, uninstall or move things you don't use. Use OneDrive files on demand to keep cloud-only copies, and consider an external drive for huge media libraries. Once you split local versus cloud, your system will stay lean without losing important data. Finish by emptying the recycle bin and confirming Storage Sense completed a run. You'll see reclaimed space in storage details. If you encounter file errors or missing items, run chkdsk and sfc after creating a restore point. This repairs disk and system file corruption without data loss. If space remains tight, use Storage's largest files view to find oversized items and move or delete them. One key tip: if a file won't delete, reboot into safe mode and try again. It resolves common locks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.